What's up guys, welcome to my channel. It's Clever. I'm going to teach you guys how to report any player, any admin, and anybody in Onestate Rp. Don't mind my background noise, I beg. So this is what you should do when you are reporting anybody, or what you should know. The first things first, whoever it is you want to report, whatever it is you want to do, make sure you are showing proof of the person in the frame. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. If you are going to record any video of somebody shooting you for no reason, make sure the person is in the frame of the record, not that the person is shooting you from back and you are recording the front. So the only thing that will be in your screen record will just be the person's name showing. That is not a valid evidence. Do you get? So if you are going to record anybody, they should be in the frame of your record. If the person is in your front, you should be recording in your front. If you notice the person shooting from back, kindly turn your camera to face the person so they are seeing the person while shooting you. That is what they call body cam. These are the first things you should know. So after you have your evidence, here's what you should do. You go on Discord. You go on Discord and you look for tickets. Sorry, don't mind my network, it's kind of slow. You see open tickets. This is it here. This open tickets, you click on it. You can choose to read this whole thing, but I've read through it. It's not really necessary, and reading through them will give you hints of how to report anybody so you don't make any mistakes. So here's what you do. If you have a player report, click the green button below. If you have an admin report, click the red. That means if you want to report a player, use the green. If you want to report an admin, use the red. If you want to report any fraction leader, like the army, the general police, PD, you use the blue. So this is what you do. You select tickets. Now you can use either the blue to report a player, either the green to report a player, the red admin, and the blue for a fraction leader. So we are reporting a player in this case. Here you type your name. That's my name. And the person you are reporting, in case you don't know the person, just say unknown or whatever, and your server, Bell. And you can write whatever it is you want to report, maybe what the person do, shooting me for no reason. And you submit. So you wait for it to be open. Now it says ticket created successfully. You can wait, you can go to general chat if you want to, but if you want to locate where your ticket was, if you scroll to the last end, you will see tickets at the last bottom. This is it here. You click on it, there will be an admin that would have responded. Do you understand? So I'm going to tell the admin that I'm making a YouTube video for a sample. So right here, you guys will click here. If you have your video where somebody was shooting you, you open the video. Don't mind my videos, guys. Now you send it to the admin. You wait for it to load. Right? If the person is in the frame, once this video is done loading, the admin will see the video. They will tell you, okay, we have seen your evidence, the person will be punished accordingly. But if the person is not in the frame and the person didn't do anything wrong, or the person didn't go against any rule, the admin will tell you clean and clear that this person did not do anything wrong and he did not go against any rule. So this is how easy it is to open a ticket and report anybody that you want to report. Thank you so much. My name is Clever. Peace and love. Bye.